This video covers checking the electronics and adjusting electronics on the Ducati 900 SSIE. What you need is laptop, connecting cable, keys. First thing you do, take the seat off the bike. So under the seat on the bike is a connecting cable here. And just take the cap off that. Cap off. And then you'll see a 3-pin plug which connects into 3-pin plug here. Now, because of the way this one operates, it's unlike the BMW one, you need to get power from the battery to run the actual plug and the connector and then into the laptop. Just connect that into the 3-pin plug there. It's a bit stiff, this one. And since I've got a charging cable on the bike, we plug the charging cable into the power here. So red pin goes on the red plug, black pin, black plug. And if we've done it correctly, the red light starts up, we know it's got power. Once we have power, open the laptop, log in, and we plug the cable from the adapter, USB, into the laptop. Okay, so we're into the system now. We just go to Terminal on the sidebar, click on Terminal, and since it's what we used last time, the up arrow goes into the Gizzy Diag program and we hit Return. Type in the password. Okay, and this is the program. So once you're in the program, we can turn the bike on. We'll just go in here and get the file that we had last time. Connect. Switch on ignition. Bike starts. We get the ECU information we want. That's correct. And we go and pick the systems that we want. So we get the systems we want to see when we start the bike and check. So we'll start with the throttle position, throttle voltage, and that helps us to tune the fuel injection system. The other thing we need is the ambient temperature, the sensor, and the oil temperature sensor. Sorry, engine temperature, same thing. And down on the second line, we just get our RPM. So again, we can tune the bike. There's other things you need as well. Probably voltage is another good one. Just check the battery. Oops, that's throttle voltage. And the battery's not so good. It's been on charge and it's 11.38 volts. So that is how we set the system up. And since we'll just make sure it's out of gear, we'll start it up very quickly to see if the system is charging. So we're in neutral. Based on the ECU data coming out of the bike, it looks like the charging is around 13 volts or just under. that's insufficient to maintain the battery in good condition. So it looks like that the battery might be on its way out. As a note afterwards, I decided to check the battery from the power plug directly into the battery rather than from the ECU, and it was running at 14.04 volts. So as it turns out, all is good. It seems like the ECU, being 20 years old, isn't giving very accurate data. So they're the sort of systems you can check when you connect it to the bike. Now when you want to stop, all you do is go out of the file, close the laptop, disconnect all the connectors.